They're putting in a new radiator in the John Deere Gator.
In the what?
In the John Deere Gator.
Oh.
What was wrong with the other one? It had a hole in it?
Yeah, a hole.
Yeah, that's
Down
right.
on the bottom. You can see where it's wet.
Yeah.
It could be the plastic caps, which they're kind of noted for doing that kind of stuff.
And the new one's all metal?
Yeah, this one is all metal. It has bigger.
Huh. I can't believe it's nice out today. It wasn't supposed to be.
It's a little cool out there on there.
Yeah, it is a little cool, but yeah, the Hustler definitely was purring this morning. You could hear it. I mean, I could hear it right away. It wasn't dying down, bogging down, nothing. So
I look at Phil and he had a big shit-eating smile. This is a good thing.
yep.